The 2025 Smart Kitchen Revolution. 4 key trends changing how we cook. Welcome to the era of the Smart Kitchen Revolution. In 2025, the modern kitchen isn't just a place to prepare food. It's an ecosystem of intelligent design, connected devices, and sustainable practices. This transformation is not only reshaping our daily cooking routines, but also influencing our choices in food, appliances, and energy consumption. Today, we explore 4 major trends defining the kitchen landscape in 2025. The first major trend is the rise of AI-powered meal planning and cooking assistance. Artificial intelligence has entered the kitchen in a big way. Through apps and integrated systems, AI now helps plan meals based on dietary needs, ingredient availability, and personal preferences. These tools suggest weekly menus, automatically generate grocery lists, and even sync with smart fridges to track expiration dates. Some AI companions offer voice-guided cooking instructions, adapting in real time to user pace and feedback. For busy families, elderly users, or novice cooks, this means less stress and more nutritious meals. Many systems now support sustainability tracking too, recommending plant-based options or lower carbon footprint ingredients. The second trend making waves is the widespread adoption of zero-waste kitchen practices. As climate awareness grows, consumers are embracing tools and methods that reduce food and packaging waste. Composting systems are now built directly into countertop appliances, converting scraps into usable soil in hours. Digital scales embedded into cutting boards help users portion ingredients precisely to avoid overuse. Apps track pantry inventory to prevent redundant purchases. Even packaging has changed. Many ingredients are now sold in dissolvable or reusable formats. This shift is supported by visual guides showing how to reuse leftovers creatively, store produce correctly, and understand expiration symbols. Kitchens are becoming eco-hubs, not just cooking spaces. The third major development in 2025 kitchens is the normalization of compact, modular cooking zones for small space living. Urban dwellers are increasingly opting for adaptable kitchen stations that can fit into apartments, mobile homes, or even multi-use workspaces. These modular units combine induction cooking, air frying, steaming, and refrigeration in stackable or fold-out formats. Popular with minimalists, these micro-kitchens maximize efficiency while reducing energy consumption. They often connect to smartphones for monitoring and are equipped with child safety sensors. As the housing crisis and remote work continue to shift how we use space, these compact kitchens are solving a real need with innovative flair and tech-forward design. The fourth and final trend is the visual renaissance of kitchens through design and smart displays. As kitchens become smarter, they're also becoming more aesthetic. One major evolution is the use of smart glass panels that double as decorative elements and interactive cooking surfaces. These can switch from transparent to opaque, show recipe steps, or play music and tutorials. Some walls and cabinet surfaces are now made from materials that change color with temperature, adding a futuristic touch. Smart lighting that adapts to mood and time of day is also becoming mainstream. These innovations blend tech with design, turning every kitchen into a personalized experience hub, not just for cooking, but also for socializing and self-expression. From AI to aesthetics, the kitchen in 2025 is a place of convergence, where technology, sustainability, and personal lifestyle meet. Each trend reflects a deeper shift in how we live and eat, and these developments are just the beginning of a smarter, greener, and more beautiful culinary future.